Practice your English by asking questions. Questions and answers is a great way to start learning English right now. You can ask me anything. Really?
You can ask me anything you want.
What is your name? My name is Isolarius. Can you spell your name? Yeah, sure. E-S-O-L-A-R-I-O-U-S? Yes. Where are you from? I'm from the UK. Where are your parents from? My parents came from Pakistan. What is your nationality? I am British.
Don't drink coffee, I take tea, my dear.
Where do you live? I live in northwest London.
Maybe it's because I'm a Londoner.
What do you do? I am a teacher.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
How old are you? I am 25. Okay, 35. Come on. 44, alright? What is your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. What languages do you speak? I speak English, Urdu, and a little Arabic. What time do you get up in the morning? I get up at 6 a.m. Really? Not every day. Most days. When do you go to bed? I go to bed at 11:30.
Go to bed.
What music do you listen to? I listen to music from the 80s. Who is your favorite singer? My favorite singer is Michael Jackson. Shimon. What? What is that? You know, Michael Jackson. Shimon. What are your hobbies? I like reading, watching films, and going for walks in the park. What mobile phone do you have? I have a Samsung S20. How do you travel? I travel by bus, train, and on foot. What do you have for breakfast? I have some water and coffee. I sometimes have oats. What do you watch on YouTube and Netflix? I watch boxing on YouTube. I watch films and survival dramas like Squid Game on Netflix. Check out my video on Squid Game. How do you relax? I meditate. Sorry, excuse me. There's one more question, sorry. And finally, how much water do you drink a day? I drink around 4 to 5 glasses of water a day. I drink around 9 glasses of water a day. Excuse me, I need to go to the bathroom.
I can't hold it in.
Go back, watch the video again, and practice with a partner. Use the words in blue to ask questions, and use the words in red to form your answers. I've also made an online activity to help you with the questions and answers. Check it out in the descriptions below. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with your friends and family. Keep practicing and see you soon. Bye bye.